Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I am currently short in Bitcoin in a few positions. I will walk you through what I have trading top down. Starting here on the 4-hour chart, we can see that Bitcoin, we will back up here. So this is last week. All of this price action here. To the left of this line right here is last week. We can see that here on the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin has delivered to the sell side over the course of that time period. In addition to that, Bitcoin put in this order block and also put in this fair value gap here on the 4-hour chart. With that, if we zoom in here, we can see here on Monday, yesterday, price action traded back up into this order block that was established last week. And that order block was established here. With this market structure shift. With this candle closing below here, with this being the low of the order block and this being the high of the order block here. Since Bitcoin has been delivering to the sell side, this would be a this is a continuation order block. So I'm anticipating price to redeliver to the sell side after pulling back here to the buy side. When that happens here, we'll next come over to the 15-minute chart. And here we can see yesterday, this area in price here on the 4-hour is equivalent to this area of price here on the 15-minute. So while price was trading inside of that order block, this happens here. If we zoom in, I'm going to zoom in. Here we go. At this level here, a market structure shift comes in here to the sell side. Also at this level as well. So this triggered the sell idea for me. The first is trading into this 4-hour order block. The next is actually down here on the 1-hour chart. This area here is equivalent to this area here on the 1-hour chart. And the high of this order block is the New York PM high from yesterday. And the low of this order block is the low of the New York PM low from yesterday. So with that in mind, this high here, this following 1-hour candle closed inside of the New York PM session. So it closed within the range. And then this following candle here also closes within the range and puts in a new 60-minute low. So seeing first on the 4-hour, price trading into the 4-hour order block. On the 1-hour, seeing price close within the New York PM session, and then here on the 15-minute, seeing price create a market structure shift here to the sell side. So these were my entry signals for this position. I took a position immediately after the market structure shift. I did not wait for a pullback, as the 15-minute chart can be a little slow. So took the entry right here after the market structure shift. And then for where are we at here? So my stop loss is just above this candle here, which is 89,212.4. Entry 88,555.3, and take profit down here at 80,565, which is the low of last week, targeting the sell side liquidity, resting below last week's low. Then the remaining positions are off of the 60-minute chart or the 1-hour chart, and these positions both have different entries but the same target. And then I will switch over here to to the 5-minute chart. So here on the 1-hour chart, price action here, there is, come back here. Okay, this candle here closes below this level. This level here is the New York PM low. As I mentioned, this was the New York PM high up here. So this order block here, this candle closed below the order block, closed outside the order block, which triggered also a market structure shift here to the sell side. So with this market structure shift, this confirms this order block. Now that this order block is confirmed on the 1 hour, the previous order block was here on the 4-hour chart. But this is an order block being formed and confirmed here on the 1-hour chart. With that, now looking for price to trade back into this order block. Which price does here. So price closes below the order block. Then here during the Asian session, price trades back up into the order block and to the fair value gap here. And then price delivers here to the sell side following that. And then if we come here to the 5-minute, you can see my entry is here. FOMO'd entry. Ideally with these on the 5-minute, unlike the 15-minute, you usually get a pullback. But at this level, there's a market structure shift here to the sell side. And this area here is equivalent to this area here. So this area where you're seeing this dotted line right here, this is the low of the order block here on the 1-hour chart. And this is the price action happening within it, and this market structure shift here takes place within the order block. Then this is my FOMO entry here, where we get the level here, where we get the shift here coming from this candle. I enter it here, where ideally I would be entering here in this candle here when price pulls back. But I've lost a series of trades, not using the best of techniques, as most people do not, and have been feeling very punchy or anxious about taking trades, so or at least missing trades, or yeah, just a bunch of little small things. Just to calm down, I've just said, hey, when the shift comes in, take it, watch a few trades. As long as it comes back to the market structure shift level, just take it. So you'll see in the next trade, I start to hybridize the system and make some adjustments. So now for the next entry, what happens here is, here, this is another trade off of the 1-hour chart. So in this candle right here, during the London session, price closes below the Asian session here, which also creates a market structure shift at this level. So getting a market structure shift and a close below a session low. So this is triggering a short idea for me, and also establishing another order block, which is right here in this area. This is the high of the new order block. This is the low of the new order block. And then price action delivers to the sell side, delivers to the buy side, nearly tests this order block but fails to trade into it, and then delivers further to the sell side, re-delivers to the buy side and trades into the order block. and then this is where I'm able to take an entry inside of the order block. And then we'll come over to the 5 minute and get a closer look at that price action. So here on the 5 minute, we'll stay zoomed out a bit. This is the sell side delivery, and then this is the near test of the order block, which is here. Price failed to reach into it. Price delivered further to the sell side. Then price delivers into the buy side, and now delivers into the order block here on the 60 minute. And this area of price action here is equivalent to this area of price action here on the 1 hour chart. And then for better detail, we can see that price actually trades into the previous 1 hour order block, and then price trades back into this current order block, puts in a swing low right here, and then there comes the market structure shift. Zoom in for this a bit more. Here the market structure shift here comes into the sell side. So again, I take my entry immediately after the shift here, and then I wait for price to pull back to the market structure shift level, and this is where I entered these two positions here. And we can see price consolidates here for a bit and then delivers to the sell side. And price is still delivering to the sell side. And for these trades, they all have the same, or at least this first trade off of the 1 hour chart, the stop loss is 88,512.6, entry 88,9.9, and take profit 85,191.4. And then for the remaining positions, there are a mix of entries between 87,645.9 and 87,533.9. And the stop loss for these positions is 88,150.1. And take profit is the same at 85,191.4, which is targeting the sell side liquidity, resting below yesterday's low. For my trading history, this was, that's not today. This is today. So only sales here today. And I haven't taken any profits or done anything else since then. We'll see what was yesterday. Okay, these were the losses from yesterday. So these were before I have established my new or my current entry criteria. So I was using a different entry criteria. Now I've combined it with the order blocks, and now instead of seeing red, I'm not seeing anything. But if we look at these numbers here, we add these up. So if we're looking at 7.43 plus 6.54 plus 8.03 plus 8.23 plus 5.51. Okay, so this would be negative 35. 35.74, and now currently unrealized, sitting at 107. So I would say reward to risk, or risk to reward ratio, if things continue trading out the way that they currently are, then I will be able to recover from those losses and be profitable here. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. trade safe, trade together. We'll see you next time.